I'm going to show you how I dyed the base of my old Google Home. I got this idea from a Reddit post made by Void My Warranty 3 years ago, and I want to stress that this was an old Google Home that I used, so I didn't care if I messed it up. I don't recommend taking this risk with a Google Home you actually care about. Anyway, here's what it looked like before. It had a gray base, and I used this RIT Peacock Green dye for synthetic fabrics and followed the instructions written on the back. I filled a stainless steel pot with enough water to cover the height of the base. Once it reached the point of almost boiling, I poured the dye in the water. I ended up using the whole bottle because I was dyeing other things. I then took the base off of the Google Home, wet it, and then put it in the dye pot. I left it in there for 30 minutes per the instructions on the bottle, but I probably should have taken it out after 10 to 15 minutes because it dyed quickly. Anyway, here's what it looked like after 30 minutes. It's still wet here, so it looks nearly black instead of dark green. I waited for it to dry overnight, and that's what it looks like after that. It looks nice, but I wanted to see if I could lighten it a little. So I used some RIT color remover to lighten it. The instructions say to use the stovetop method again, but I was worried about warping the plastic with that much heat again. Plus I wanted to avoid the fumes, so I went outside and I put the color remover in a bowl, then poured some hot water on top of the powder. I wet the base and then put that in the water and immediately freaked out after seeing all that yellow leave. And then I came to terms with the fact that the base might just end up blue. Anyway, I stirred for 10 minutes and here's what it looked like when it was wet. And here's what it looked like after about a day of air drying. I am very happy with the results. If you wanted to try this at home, obviously be careful not to burn yourself. Follow the instructions listed on the products, but know that the base could reach your desired color faster than 30 minutes. So keep watch to see if you can take it out earlier than the recommended time. That's it. Thank you for watching.